write yourself a letter and open this like in the next couple of years or whenever you're ready to open it. Or
Ito yung message ko sa sarili ko. Di ba may ganito si Aya? Naalala niyo yung message ni Aya sa sarili niya? Ito yun. Ito din yung akin.
aww, it's all been a reality na today.
Pasensya na rin po kung ayaw ko po sa...
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice.
Oh my god! Do you know what this is? Do you have any guesses what this is? Do you know who made this letter? Me. I made this letter. This letter. We had one course session. Write yourself a letter and open this like in the next couple of years or whenever you're ready to open it. Or I haven't opened this ever since. Like as you can see my sticker pa? Since ngayon ko lang siya nakita ulit. Yun. Hindi ko siya na-open. Oh? I'm gonna open it now and I'm curious. Curious ako, ano kaya naman ito? I hope, yeah, kung ikaw ka, ayaw from 2020, kung puro kalokohan tong sinulat mo, sige. Tigas pa niya. See, can you hear that? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna open it. Hello! First witness kay Bloom. Also me. Oh, di ba oh, see? It's still so new kasi na ano talaga siya. Hindi ko siya na-open talaga. Oh my god, I wonder what this is. This is so cool. And I wanna keep doing this. Okay, I wanna make it a tradition na for New Year. Oh my god, okay. Aww. Mm. Okay. Wow, I'm so emotional. Sige. Amazing! This is so cool! Buti nagsulat ako! Wow! This is so cool! This is so cool. I will do this. I'll keep doing this. Kasi as in, wala na akong idea kung anong sinulat ko dito. Like, even right now, okay, let's play wag muna tayong umuwi. Para feels. Oh my God. Wait. Oh my God. Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. Para feels. Wag muna tayong umuwi. Ah. Grabe, ang amazing na to kasi wala akong, nakalimutan ko na eh. Ano,